Hello handbaggers, I am here with a quick unboxing that I'm very excited about. So as soon as I got the package, I wanted to make a video. This is an unboxing of some of the new Coach Peanuts collaboration small leather goods that I was able to pick up. If this sounds like something you're interested in seeing, please keep on watching. So let's get started. Actually, I almost missed these items because I did not check the Coach outlet website until a couple days after these items had been on sale, and most of the items were sold out. So I decided to call my closest Coach outlet to find out if they had the items in stock. Lo and behold, they did, and they were willing to ship them to me. And because I'm an insider, the shipping was free, which was awesome. So I guess that's awesome. It's kind of a blessing and a curse. You know what I mean, handbag lovers. So what I would like to do is just share with you what I picked up from the sale. These items were, again, not available online, but there was one that I was able to pick up online. So I think I'll probably get that one in the next couple days, but I was so excited to see these items that I wanted to make the video now. So how's that? Okay, let me try to get through here as quickly as I can. Okay. So let's see what we have here. So they stuffed the receipt in the bag here. And let's unbox this together, shall we? Okay. So as you can see, there are 3 items. I ordered these on Friday and I got them today. So I guess that was pretty fast. So cute. Okay, so check this out. This first item is the Coach Peanuts Slim Bifold card wallet, and it's in the color Vivid Blue. How cute is this? I'm going to compare the color to my recent letter carrier that I got from Dooney Bourke. So I'm not sure if you've seen the Coach Slim Bifold card wallets in the past, but it has a spot here on the back for a credit card. It has a top zip compartment where you can add items. It also, or change maybe. It also it opens up. It has Coach Peanuts printed on the front. Now that's cute. It's in a darker navy blue on the inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credit card slots. Does not have a place for bills. Again, so it's really cute and compact, perfect for a small little bag. This one has, I think this is Pigpen. Not really good with my Peanuts characters. You can also see that it has Coach indented on the front as well. So very cute in the blue and the black. The Coach Slim Bifold card wallet. Very cute. Perfect for a small bag. Okay, so next up, ooh, cute. The gang's all here. This is the Coach Peanuts corner zip wristlet. And as you can see, this one is also in the Vivid Blue, and it has all of the various Peanut characters on it. It has Coach at the top, raised, the Coach emblem, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the characters, if I'm counting that right. So I can test my Peanut knowledge here. I'd love to hear yours. So Charlie Brown, I don't know, is that Lucy? No, I don't know who that is. Snoopy, That's Lucy. That's Linus. Peppermint Patty, I think. I'm not sure. The rest of them, I'm not sure. So there you go. So it has the blue with the black trim, as you can see. And I'll open this up. You may have seen the corner zip wristlets before from Coach. So it has the Coach patch on the back. It has the 1-2 credit card slots as well. And that's the only organization. And just a close-up, here's the information on the actual item. So this is it says item number 6481. And again, this is the corner zip wristlet with the full Peanuts gang in vivid blue. So let me move on to the next one quickly. The lady at the outlet was very nice and she wrapped this up nicely. So check this out. The gang's here once again. And this one is the Coach Peanuts long zip around wallet with Snoopy and Friends. So again, it's the same pattern, same Peanuts gang, the raised Coach emblem on the front. It does say Schultz down there. Not sure if you saw that last time. It has it looks like a navy blue. I may have said black on the trimming on the wristlet, but it looks like a navy blue, and it's with the silver hardware, and the hardware is indented with Coach. The zipper is in silver, also with the navy blue zipper lining. And on the inside of this wallet, it has a place for cash. It has 6 credit card slots on each side, so a total of 9. Looks like it has the navy blue interior. It has the Coach story patch, has a zipper in the center, and here is the card for this one. Not sure if that's coming off. And the item number on this one is 64603. And then it has another compartment here, another compartment here. And I'm not sure if I said the bill's on the back. So this is a pretty nice size wallet, if you will. So, and let me see if there was a card in this one so I can give you the details. Doesn't look like it, or maybe it's in the zipper. Yep, here it is. And here's the card. Here's the information for the Bifold card wallet, if you're interested. So that's C4307, and here is the ensemble all together. Oh my goodness, I almost slept on it, but I was able to pick it up. And if you give me one moment, I'm going to put this video on hold and I'm going to grab the Persian Blue from Dooney to see how these look. It might be too much blue, but just want to try it out. So if you give me one moment, I will do that. Okay, so here's the Dooney Persian Blue. And wow, this is a really close color match. It's close to identical here. Now I would most likely have to wear I would probably only be able to use the wristlet and this small wallet, because I don't need both the small and the big wallets together. But the color looks fantastic, and I'm sure that the items will fit in here. But let's just do a quick test of that, if you don't mind. Okay, so definitely would include the wristlet. Oh, pushing it. Might have to sit that. Oh, I'd have to sit that vertically versus horizontally. And then, of course, the little card holder. I could either sit it in there. It may fit actually in this back pocket, which I can do that, as you can see. Or I could even slip it in one of the zip pockets in the back. And that would fit fine. So let me see, even though, like I said, I wouldn't carry the larger wallet with this smaller bag, but let me just, out of kicks and giggles, see if that would fit. And it does. It's kind of odd, but it fits. And let me see, you can zip it up, and it zips. Again, I probably wouldn't go there. Like I shared, I was so excited to get these items and I almost missed them. And I don't know if stuff like this ends up going on sale at some point or before it sells out. And I am looking forward to getting this in yellow. So I may actually use the yellow one to break up some of this blue, perhaps. So thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my existing subscribers. I very much appreciate your engagement. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, please comment, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. We will talk soon.